Wow, this is so good. Can't get any better than that. A few weeks ago, I sowed some cayenne pepper seeds and put them under the sink in a plastic. And they generally take about 7 to 10 days maybe to germinate. So I have some pots for them. And let's see, that is the bag. Let's take that out. We will need to tease them apart and get them planted in these pots today. And so here are the pots. I'm going to take something to dig a little hole for the root to go into. We're going to do that to each of these. I guess I could. So yeah, just gently pulling the root out so that nothing breaks or anything. You know, you don't want the root to break at this point, and you can use something to guide it in there. Let's see. There we go. Keep going, keep going. Go ahead and water these in, and definitely move them out of the sun direct, more or less direct sunlight as well. Getting some sunlight for this video because, you know, those leaves that are yellow are more or less chlorotic anyway. So yeah, I just watered these in to make the seal, and I will dump out the water that they're standing in, just because I don't want them in standing water either, and put them probably inside for today and then back outside tomorrow. So today we're listening to a super group. This is French Frith, Kaiser, and Thompson from the record Live, Love, Larf, and Loaf. The song Bird in God's Garden, which is basically adapted from some Rumi and Sufi teachings about a bird in a garden that's caged, you know, basically in their skin and their body until they are called to return home again. This record came out in, I believe, 1987, and it's definitely my favorite song on it. It has, oddly enough, a version of Surfin' USA, which is kind of quirky, but and this song, you know, we have Richard Thompson singing here, and then we also have a Fred Frith piece at the end called Lost and Found. So pretty cool record, classic. Until next time, stay toasted.